camera. Hey, what's up, guys? So I didn't really think about what I wanted to say.
It's alright, we'll cut it.
What's up, guys?
Uh-huh.
What's up, guys? My name's Sam Hurley. You probably know that because I don't have any followers on YouTube where this is going, and if you ended up on my page, then you probably figured that much out. Anyway, you may have seen my video last year with the E28 on Salt City Euro's channel, where I described a number of different things that I had planned to do or that needed to be done. Don't quote me on that. None of that happened in the past year, as you might see by some of the B-roll that we can roll right now. I'm talking, or I throw videos of our cat on the screen. But I wanted to bring you in the loop now because it actually is going to happen. I have a number of parts that I've ordered that I'll have my roommate take us through.
These dusty booters are some of my favorites. I've replaced a lot of dusty booters in my day.
That I can show you being put on.
For sure, dude.
If I check my diagram, I got cylinder 1 and 4 on their exit path. That's all 6. It's not gonna be anything crazy, but this is just fun and I like playing with cameras. So anyway, first thing we're gonna do, we just pulled out of the garage, we cleaned the garage. We're gonna clean the car up to get it a little bit dusted off. People used to always ask me when I was younger, because I've always had a buzzed head, if I still wash my hair, and I did because my hair still gets dirty and my head gets greasy. So people ask with this car if I still wash it, even though it doesn't have a lot of paint or whatever this stuff is on it, still gotta keep it clean, you know what I'm saying? Since I'm super European, I'm using the European version of Turtle Wax's Wash and Wax waterless cleaning system. Since Alex still has his US bumpers, we're gonna give him the US version of the Turtle Wax waterless system. So we're gonna get these wiped down before we pull them back in, and then we're gonna shape. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Then we're gonna throw it on jack stands. Then we'll take you inside, check out the parts that we have ready for it. So we're inside now, and Alex is gonna go ahead and take us through the parts that I have ordered and currently available for the car. Over to Alex.
So here we got a whole box of trim parts. Gasket for the upper head of the bottom of the block on your car, I think. I haven't seen one of these in a while, but M30s are rare nowadays. Here's another stuck slash piece. Oh yeah, that's a butt thermometer for your car. It reads the exhaust temperature.
Gotcha.
You should know, you ordered it.
I
What is this?
I just ordered stuff. I don't even know what I got.
This is one stuck. I don't know what that is. Here's your carb snake. That's just a run-of-the-mill carb snake. This is for my car. Oh, there's the pump tube with your dusty booters. These dusty booters are some of my favorites. These things go bad a lot though. I've replaced a lot of dusty booters in my day. This BMW authentic rump juice. I only use the blue stuff. My rump. Hey, dog bones. It's a water pump. It's almost the same too. Pretty sure this is the one I have in my pool. Yeah. See? Looks like you've got everything you need here to pretty much rebuild a nice pool. Not really a whole lot here, but you don't need much. It's BMW.
And go from there.
If you like what you see, hit that like button. Subscribe down below.
Alright, you guys. If you like what you saw, comment below. Like, subscribe, favorite our videos. Stay tuned for more.